how to fix Chai app not working problem. So if you want to fix Chai app not working problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just scroll down, go with apps, and then tap on manage apps. And from the manage apps, you need to search for Chai and then tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you need to go with clear all data, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on OK. After clearing your data, you need to just scroll down, go with app permissions, and make sure that you allow the permissions. Like for example, I'll go with the microphone and allow the permission, and then I don't want the notifications to pop up, so I'll just simply go and turn it off. Once you're done with the permissions, you need to go back and open up your Play Store. From here, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Chai AI. And if you have any updates, you need to just go and update the application. Once you update it, your problem will be fixed and it will work. That's how you can fix your Chai app not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.